Welcome to the world of rice propagation, an ancient art that brings the staple of life to your fields. Join us on this step-by-step journey as we unlock the secrets of growing rice from seed to harvest. Begin with quality rice seeds. Choose varieties suited to your region, ensuring they are disease-free and of optimal size. Step 2. Seed soaking. Soak the selected seeds in water for 24 hours. This will kickstart the germination process and prepare them for planting. Step 3. Germination. Transfer the soaked seeds to a damp cloth or gunny sack for another 24 to 48 hours, allowing them to sprout. Step 4. Nursery preparation. Create a well-prepared nursery bed with loose, fertile soil. Broadcast the sprouted seeds evenly, covering them with a thin layer of soil. Step 5. Nursery care. Keep the nursery consistently moist. Once the seedlings reach about 6 inches, they are ready for transplantation. Step 6. Transplantation. Transplant the seedlings to the main field when they have 3 to 4 leaves, ensuring a spacing of about 6 inches between each plant. Step 7. Field management. Maintain a consistent water level in the field, especially during the crucial flowering and grain filling stages. Fertilizers needed for optimal growth. Step 8. Harvesting. Harvest when the grains are golden and firm. Cut the panicles near the base and allow them to dry before threshing. Wow! Congratulations! You have just completed the journey from seed to harvest, transforming a handful of seeds into a bountiful rice field. Subscribe for more agricultural insight and stay tuned for our next cultivation adventure.